And in this week, I'll teach you how to expand your vocabulary via online newspapers. In here, we'll be working with three tools. Firstly, you're gonna grab your favorite newspapers. So in this case, I'll use this link as an example. Secondly, we'll be using AI. In this case, I'm working with Perplexity, but you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta AI. That's up to you. And lastly, we'll be working with another application called Noji. Simply put, this is a flashcard creation app. What you can do here is they can create a set of cards. So as an example, you can get the question on the front and you'll get the answer in the back. So we'll get back to it in a few seconds. Let's just go back to the article. In here, you can start reading the article or listening to it if it allows you to do so. But in this case, I'll grab the link. So I select it and I'll head over to Perplexity. In here, what I prompted to the app is that I want to create a list of new words from somebody who wants to move up in my current language level. In this case, Catalan. So I asked them to give me at least 30 keywords and also to give me a set of 5 or more sentences made out of these set of new words. So as you can see, it gave me already the set of 30 words that I should know. I get the target language version and the translation in my native language, which is Spanish. Then if we go back a little bit more, you'll notice that it already gave me the list of the phrases. I asked him to give me the Spanish and Catalan version. So in this case, you can see that the Catalan version is above and the Spanish version is right below it. This is what we're looking for, and I'll be copying not only this but also this. But let's focus first on what's happening on the bottom. So I'll grab all these words in here and I'll make flashcards out of it. Let's go to Noji. In here, I made a set of cards in here that I set it already as a title, but that's up to you how you want to name it. So I'll go back, for example, to this list and I'll select, for example, this one in here and I'll filter it in the set and I'll take it out. I'll let it render for a second. I'll click it. And here's, it's just a sneak peek or a preview of what you can do in here. What I did in here is that when I opened the app, the editor, I requested to put a title in here. I put the Spanish version, which should be this one here below, and I put the Catalan version right on the reverse. So whenever I open the question, let it render for a moment, I'll get this on the front, and if I click it, I'll get the answer on the back. This is a good way for you to not only collect as many keywords as you can, but also keep practicing. Not forget the keywords and build a habit from it. This app is free. You get a maximum of free 50 flashcards that you can practice per day. Of course, this is a paid option, but I think the free version is more than enough. Now, if this will be like the last step, which is optional, and let me show you what we can do with these words. So I'll go back to the list of keywords. I'll go back to the 30 words that it rendered me. So in here, I'll grab each of the keywords and I'll head over to my dictionary. I have a tutorial that I made a couple of months ago, which I'll leave in the Substack link and also in the description. And so this will teach you how to actually work with this sheet that I made for myself. So what I did here is that I grabbed the Spanish version in here and I went word for word and I copied it in here. Again, I already did the work. And for example, let's go with the parada, for example. I'll go and search it and it's already in here. So I basically did the same. I rinsed and repeat the whole process. So I went word for word and I input it in here. And you can actually make the adjustments. So if you work with more than one language, you'll find the formula in the tutorial. So definitely, if you want to get the dictionary, check that tutorial. I'll do what's possible to show it to you. And yeah, other than that, that's pretty much what I have this week. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.